a 5000 mAh battery, an octa-core processor, a 6.6 inches display, all for less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. This is the Itel A50 and this is my review. Let's get it. First, let's talk about the price. For less than 1,000 Ghana cedi, about 970 Ghana cedis, you get this device. And even considering the fact that you can buy a phone for less than $100, which is very crazy. And amazingly, let me show you what comes inside the box when you decide to pick this up. You actually get the phone itself, a case, a charger, a C cable, an earpiece, all this in a device that costs less than $100. I must say from the onset, I'm actually impressed already. Now let's talk about design. This is an all plastic build with flat edges, so it actually feels very comfortable in the hand. It still has curved edges, very slight curved edges, so it feels very comfortable in the hand. And also, this does an amazing job when it comes to hiding fingerprints. And let's admit it, this actually looks like an iPhone. So if you don't want to spend thousands and thousands of cedis on an iPhone, maybe you can get this for your secondary device or an entry-level device for yourself or your kid or anything like that, because it actually looks really cool. This year, these are the 4 colors that you can choose from. I personally like the black and how it looks with a case that comes with this inside the box. Look at this. Doesn't it look stealth? Looks really cool, I'll give it that. Now let's talk about the display. A 6.6 inches display is a 720p panel, 60 Hz, 480 nits of brightness. For such an entry-level price point, the specs of this device is actually expected, and to be honest, the colors are very good for what it is. It's definitely not the sharpest that I've seen, especially when you're watching YouTube videos. It's not the sharpest display that I've seen, but the colors are actually good to go. If you're watching any TikTok videos, Instagram videos, you might not find yourself complaining at all when it comes to the colors. And it's not the brightest device when you're outdoor, but when you're inside or even when not using this under direct sunlight, this is actually still usable. So the display of the Itel A50 is actually decent, especially considering the price point. Talking about battery life is where this actually shines. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and also comes with a charger in the box. It definitely takes a while to charge, but if you're a light user, you can find yourself using this for more than a day, which is really good. So battery life is definitely one of the places this device shines. You're not going to have a problem with that. Now let's talk about performance. This comes with OS 14 Android Go edition with an octa-core processor. It supports 4G. There's a 128GB of storage plus 8GB of RAM option, but the one I'm using currently is a 64GB storage and 6GB worth of RAM option. And I must say, it's not the fastest device that I've tried, but most of your needs when it comes to browsing social media, consuming content, watching YouTube videos, making phone calls, listening to music and the likes, you're probably not going to have a problem with this. During my first few hours of using this, probably because I was still setting it up, it was lagging a little bit, but after using it for a while, this has actually settled and it feels much more smoother. But apart from that, this device is usable and you can use it for most of your daily activities, especially when it comes to consuming content, playing light games like Subway Surfers, Candy Crush and all those likes. This device is going to perform as expected. When it comes to cameras though, the rear camera on here is an 8 megapixel main sensor and the selfie camera is a 5 megapixel. Maybe a better processor might have done a better job, but these are the kind of pictures that you should expect from this. They are decent, they are definitely not going to blow you away. Give it enough sunlight and you might get some decent looking pictures. For videos as well, this only caps at 1080p and that is all you're going to get. So this is what the selfie camera, the video from the selfie camera looks like. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. It's actually a cloudy day, so that is what you expect from the camera. I think maybe it helps with the skin tones, right? What do you think about the skin tone and also how do I sound in the comment section down below? So now let's switch to the main camera and see how that one looks too. And this is what you're going to get from the main camera. Also shooting at 1080p, 30 FPS. Let me know what you think about this footage in the comment section down below. How does my skin tone look like? How do I sound, the microphone and all? Also the dynamic range. It's a cloudy day, like I said. Let me know what you think about this footage in the comment section down below. Before I forget, you have a side mounted fingerprint sensor on here and it performs really well. It's actually one of the fastest that I've tried because there are no animations when it comes to unlocking the device. And And we get a dynamic bar around the notch on here, which gives you notifications when you're charging your phone, when you're on a phone call, and some notification when it comes to applications. So that is also very, very nice. You have a dual SIM card tray on the side, so you can actually put 2 SIM cards if you find yourself using multiple networks. It is a single firing speaker, obviously, because this is an entry-level device. But all in all, I think this is a very capable device if you're looking for a device that is not going to break the bank. This is so affordable because of the price. I can't hate on this device at all. When it comes to battery life, it's definitely one of the best. When it comes to performance as well, it's very decent. The screen is good enough to consume most of your content. This is my review of the Itel A50. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below, and as usual, stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.